What are y'all girls doing? They're wrestling? Look at them. What is that? What's that? No, no, no. What is that? No. Hello, my name is Piper. She's ready for her close-up. Piper's ready for her close-up. Woo! What's this? This is her sister. Pippi. Pippi and Piper. Look at the girls. You better be nice to your sister. It's WrestleMania. That's for Dustin. WrestleMania. There she goes. Say hi to Dustin. Pepper, say hi to Dustin. Pepper. There she goes. And where's that other one? Someone's getting a spanking.